Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, imagine this common scenario. You have a server running Server 2022 with two local users, one an admin and the other a standard user. The problem arises when you need to disable certain features like CMD, PowerShell, Control-Alt-Del, and even Edge for the standard user while still allowing the admin user access to them. And here's the catch: you can't use Active Directory GPO because this machine is deliberately not on a domain. Fret not, we got a solution up our sleeves. In the solution, we'll be diving into how you can use local group policy to apply specific policies to individual users. The key lies in using the mmc.exe application as your local admin account to access the group policy object editor. By carefully selecting the user or group under the Users tab in the Select Group Policy Object dialog, you'll be able to customize the policies that apply to each user. Remember, while computer policies may still affect the system as a whole, user policies should be confined to the selected user scope. It's a neat workaround that gets the job done without the need for Active Directory GPO. Now that we've tackled the problem with a clever workaround, you're all set to customize and control features for individual users on your Server 2022. With this method, you can grant the admin user unrestricted access while keeping the standard user in check. If you found the solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. And as always, tech troubles may come and go, but with the right solutions, you can navigate them like a pro.